When this was first laid, it was one straight bit of pipe, but as the tree started to push the pipe around, it broke it, and that's why I added two 45-degree angle joints to it. But what happened is then the tree broke and that as well, and the situation was that as you can see, that you can't really force it back in. The angle's not quite right, so it might make a really good join. That's a really good photo to show you that. So I tried to come up with some way to rejoin it. I thought maybe some sort of flexible hose type thing, but this is a bore pressure pipe, water pipe. So I didn't know if it could handle that. Then I came up with the idea that basically by having four elbow joints, I could get any, not only any angle, but I could also elevate it as well, you know, because the pipes are not sort of lined up anymore, but actually, you know, one's a little bit higher than the other as well. So with these four elbow joints and a little bit of PVC between them, I basically put it between the two pipes to make sure that they fit. Then I mark with a permanent marker on each of the pieces where they go, and then I take it all off and I glue it all up. I glue all the internal bits, and then when I've got the piece ready, I then attach it to the two old pipes. So I thought it's that was a really neat trick, because not only could I get the angle of the pipes, but also if the pipes had moved up and down, and it really worked, and I was so pleased with that. I thought if anyone else has got a same sort of problem, that it might help them too. Okay.